Hey everyone, having trouble sending MMS or SMS on your Aldi mobile? Don't worry, in this video I'll show you quick and easy fixes to resolve the issue and get your message sent. Let's dive in. To fix Aldi mobile not sending MMS or SMS, restart your phone to clear temporary glitches, check your signal strength and move to an area with a better reception if needed. Verify your APN settings, match those provided by Aldi mobile. Ensure you have enough credit if you are on prepaid plan. Restart your network settings to default. Test your SIM in another device to rule out hardware issues. Contact Aldi Mobile support for further assistance if the problem persists. Why Aldi Mobile not sending MMS or SMS? Weak or unstable network signal, insufficient credit on a prepaid plan, message size exceeding the 2 MB limit for MMS on Aldi Mobile, network outages or maintenance in your area, issue with the number. Restart your device. Restarting refreshes your device software, clearing temporary glitches that may cause issues with call. For iOS, press and hold the power button and either volume button until the slide to power off slider appears. Drag the slider to turn off the device, wait for a few seconds and press the power button again until the Apple logo appears. For Android, press and hold the power button until a menu appears, then tap restart or reboot. If this option isn't available, select power off, wait for a few seconds and press the power button again to turn it back on. Fix to ensure mobile data is enabled MMS. Ensure mobile data is enabled as MMS require a active data action to send and receive messages. For Android, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick settings, then tap the mobile data icon to toggle it on. For iOS, swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center, then tap the cellular data icon to enable or disable it. If mobile data is enabled already, toggle it off and on to refresh the signal. Fix 3. Verify APN settings MMS. Ensure your phone APN access point name settings matches those provided by Aldi Mobile. Incorrect APN settings can prevent MMS from being sent or received properly. APN details of Aldi Mobile. Name mobile data APN mdata.net.au. If this doesn't work, try telestra.internet. MMSC http mmsc.mdata.net.au 8003 MMS proxy 10.1.1.180 MMS port 80 MMS protocol IPv4 or IPv4 or IPv6 MCC 505 MNC0 APN type default DUN supple MMS. Leave the remaining fields blank. For Android, go to settings, then network and internet, then go to SIM card and mobile network. Select your SIM, access point name plus sign, add a new APN details. For iPhone, APN settings are usually configured automatically but can be checked under settings. Then go to mobile services, mobile data network, edit APN settings, enter the Aldi mobile APN details, save the settings and enable it. Then restart your phone. Check signal strength. Make sure your phone has a strong signal. Weak signal strength can disrupt the delivery of SMS and MMS messages. Go to Aldi mobile coverage page and put your address in the search bar. Click search icon to get the details. If have good network connections, move to an area with a better reception if necessary. Fix 5. Check the recipient's number. Ensure the recipient phone number is correct and properly formatted, including the country code if necessary. Send a test message to another phone number to see if the issue is specific to the original recipient or a border problem with your services. If the message sent successfully to the alternate number, the issue might be with the recipient's phone or a network. If the message fails to send to any number, it could indicate a problem with your device, SIM card, or a network connection. Fix 5. Check file size limit for MMS. Ensure the MMS file size is within Aldi Mobile's 2 MB limit. Larger files will fail to receive. Ask the sender to check the file size and compress it if required. To check the file size of an MMS attachment, on Android, open the file in your gallery or a file manager. Tap on Details or Properties and check the file size listed. On iOS, open the file in Photos or Files app. Tap the info button, that is I, to view the file size. Check for plan credit or expiry. Ensure your Aldi mobile plan is active and you have a sufficient PAYG credit if required for MMS. Even unlimited plans may need active credit for certain features. To check balance, SMS the word balance to 590 from your Aldi mobile handset to receive an update on your SIM status. Method 1, using website. Log into Aldi mobile app to view your PAYG credit. Click on your phone number in your account dashboard. If your balance is low, navigate to manage account, then go to my services, then tap on recharge, pay as you go to top up your credit. Method 2, using app. Open the app and log in. Tap the dashboard icon located at the bottom left corner of the screen. Expand your phone number to view your PAYG credit balance and SMS count. If it's low, proceed to the recharge section and select the pay as you go option to top up your credit. Disable iMessage for former iPhone users. If you have recently switched from iPhone to Android, deregistered iMessage using Apple's deregistered iMessage tool to avoid SMS being routed incorrectly. Disable iMessage on iPhone. Open the settings app, tap messages, switch the iMessage toggle to the off position. Deregistered iMessage if switching to a non Apple device. Go to Apple deregistered iMessage page, select your country code, type in your phone number, type CAPTCHA and click send code. Enter the received code and click submit button. To deregister, contact customer support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to customer support services with examples of failed messages, time, date, and recipient number to help them investigate further for assistance. Call 1300 Charges may apply. Free call from your Aldi mobile phone. Dial 2534 ALDI. Customer service is available daily from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. AEDT.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.